Today we're talking about something that so many people silently struggle with: insomnia. Whether it's trouble falling asleep, waking up in the middle of the night, or not feeling rested in the morning, sleep issues can seriously affect your energy, mood, and long-term health. The good news? There are natural, science-backed ways to fix insomnia without relying on sleeping pills or harsh medications. Insomnia is more than just having a bad night of sleep. It's a chronic difficulty in falling asleep, staying asleep, or getting deep, restorative rest. And it can be triggered by stress, irregular routines, screen time, or even what you eat and drink. Let's understand what's causing your insomnia and how to fix it naturally. The number one enemy of sleep is stress. When you're anxious or overwhelmed, your body produces more cortisol and adrenaline. These are fight-or-flight hormones that keep your brain alert and active, even when your body is exhausted. This makes it harder to relax into a peaceful sleep. One of the fastest and most natural ways to calm your nervous system is deep breathing. Try the 4-7-8 method. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7, and exhale slowly for 8. This activates your parasympathetic nervous system, which slows your heart rate, lowers cortisol, and prepares your mind for rest. Just a few rounds of this before bed can make a big difference. Now let's talk about screens. If you're scrolling through your phone or watching Netflix before bed, you're exposing your brain to blue light. Blue light blocks the release of melatonin, the hormone that signals your brain it's time to sleep. That's why screen time at night can make it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. Try setting a digital curfew. Turn off all screens at least 1 hour before bed. Instead, wind down with something relaxing like reading a physical book, journaling, or listening to soft music. These habits tell your brain it's time to slow down. Another common cause of insomnia is having an irregular sleep schedule. When you go to bed and wake up at different times each day, it confuses your circadian rhythm, your body's internal clock. As a result, your body doesn't know when to start producing melatonin. The fix? Be consistent. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your sleep-wake cycle and improves the overall quality of your rest. Now, let's talk about some natural sleep boosters that can help your body relax more easily. First, magnesium. This mineral supports muscle relaxation and boosts the production of GABA, a calming neurotransmitter. Magnesium-rich foods include almonds, spinach, bananas, and avocados. You can also consider taking a magnesium supplement, but it's best to consult your doctor first. Second, herbal teas. Chamomile, lavender, and valerian root teas are known for their calming properties. Drinking a warm cup of herbal tea about 30 to 45 minutes before bed can help you unwind and ease into sleep. Third, tart cherry juice. Yes, tart cherries naturally contain melatonin. Drinking a small glass of tart cherry juice in the evening has been shown to improve both sleep duration and quality in some studies. It's a simple, delicious, and natural sleep aid. And of course, caffeine. Caffeine can stay in your system for 6 to 8 hours. That means even a cup of coffee in the late afternoon can keep you awake at night. If you're struggling with sleep, try cutting off all caffeine after 2 p.m. Now let's talk about something people often overlook: bedtime routines. Just like children, adults need a wind-down ritual too. Try dimming the lights an hour before bed, taking a warm shower or bath, doing light stretches, or practicing gentle yoga. These cues signal to your body that it's time to slow down and transition into rest mode. And don't forget about your sleep environment. Your bedroom should feel like a sanctuary: cool, dark, quiet, and free of distractions. Blackout curtains, white noise machines, and turning off small lights can make a big difference in how deeply you sleep. Even the tiny LED from your charger can interfere with melatonin release. Lastly, if you're lying in bed wide awake, don't force it. Tossing and turning creates anxiety and makes things worse. Instead, get up, do something calming in low light, like reading or meditation, and return to bed only when you feel sleepy again. So there you have it: natural, science-backed ways to fix insomnia and finally get the deep, restorative sleep your body needs.